The project outlined in the article addresses the client's desire to construct a country house in stages, leading to the conceptualization of a modular design approach. Divided into independent blocks or modules, the design allows for flexibility in construction phases without compromising the functionality or aesthetic coherence of the eventual completed dwelling. These modules are interconnected by well-lit circulation spaces that offer panoramic views of the surrounding natural landscape, enhancing the connection between interior and exterior spaces. Each module is purposefully designed to reflect its internal functions and contribute to the overall harmony of the architecture. For instance, the social block is envisioned as a transparent glass structure, seamlessly integrating inhabitants with the natural environment. In contrast, the bedroom modules are conceived as robust, mud blocks, resembling caves, which provide privacy and a sense of sanctuary while maintaining visual connectivity to the outdoors. The service module, characterized by its closed-off design, ensures functionality without direct visual engagement with the exterior. The project encompasses 5 distinct areas, meticulously organized to accommodate various aspects of daily living. The master bedroom area comprises the primary sleeping quarters and an adjoining bathroom, prioritizing comfort and privacy. Similarly, the guest area consists of 2 guest bedrooms, each equipped with its own bathroom to ensure visitors' convenience and autonomy. Additionally, the service area encompasses facilities essential for household operations, such as a service bedroom, bathroom, laundry area, and general storage closet, optimizing functionality while minimizing visual clutter. The social area serves as a central hub for entertainment and relaxation, featuring a living room, dining room, terrace, and guest bathroom, fostering social interaction and leisure activities. The pool and grill area offer recreational amenities, including a pool, deck, grill space, and dining area, seamlessly blending with the natural surroundings. Notably, the pool's pump room is discreetly located underground, preserving the aesthetic integrity of the outdoor space. The collaborative effort of designers Jenny Llanos, Claudia Maceda, Anjara Rodriguez, Miguel Gutierrez, and Renzo Segura, along with photographer Juan Solano, underscores the interdisciplinary approach and attention to detail evident in the project. Through thoughtful planning and innovative design solutions, the modular country house emerges as a harmonious integration of architecture and nature, offering a flexible and sustainable living environment tailored to the client's evolving needs and preferences.